Good morning, friends and fellow RC airplane enthusiasts. This is the tail section of the Fokker D8, the one I'm doing up in the AS947 colors. And I've worked on getting the tail surfaces all hooked up and done. I've actually put different brace rods on it than what it had originally. These are carbon fiber tubes that I made the ends out of 3/32 welding rod and threaded 256 with a rod chucker. And I put a steerable tail wheel on it. Many of you know I was going to change from the skid. It saves over an ounce, almost 2 ounces actually, over what the ash skid was. And I've finally happy with the linkages to steer the tail wheel. Now, I don't have the springs tight enough so that there's pressure on the rudder under normal conditions, but I've actually bent the linkages some with 2 crescent wrenches so that they'd line up. Got small 256 eyelets in the springs, and yep, we have a steerable tail wheel, and it's adjustable for tracking, and it's not perfectly tight, and so it does have some give in it, and looks like I may have to tighten up the right side just a little bit more. Actually, the left side, it's upside down. Yep. And, yep, throttle. And the elevators wiggle. Look at this. Yep. Have a great day, folks.